This is an unboxing and first impressions of the Prospek Granite. These are glasses that help to block out the blue light, so we're going to test that out. And this is the Granite model, like I mentioned. This was sent to me by Prospek for the purpose of this quick unboxing and review. So thank you to Prospek for sending this out. There was no money exchange, so all opinions are my own. I'm not forced to say anything positive about this. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. If I'm not mistaken, this is a magnetic type of box. Yeah, I really like this type of boxes. Let's see if I'm wrong. Okay, so yes, it appears to be magnetic. I really like magnetic boxes. But this is not about the box. This is about the glasses themselves, which come inside their own case, which is a very peculiar looking case. I haven't seen cases for glasses like this before. And the box is something you want to keep. Very nice box. Right, so let's see the glasses themselves. They are magnetic as well, and oh boy, I'm already liking this. All right, now these have a very yellowish tint to them, and inside the box we get a cleaning cloth, and it's quite big, so you can put your glasses inside them for extra protection when you take them on the go. So that's great. All right, so let's take a look at the glasses. Like I mentioned, they appear to have, well, they don't appear, they actually do have a yellowish tint, as you can tell with the difference between this color and the one that's going through the lens. Now these have a very nice kind of clear color to them, and I really like them. So the temples are metal, and they have like a rubbery type of cover in this, so that you can protect your earlobes. They are lightweight, but not too lightweight. They have a very slight heft to it, maybe due to the metal of the temples. I really like this design. Let me give it a quick test. Yes, these are super comfortable. And I'm going to be doing a headphone test, of course, but I feel like these are going to work just fine with the headphones. Now let's test the blue light blocking. I happen to have a blue light blocking test that came in another pair of lenses that Prospek also sent. So the idea behind this is that you have this UV light or blue light, and if you hover the beam over a white part, you see that it changes color. So if this really blocks out the blue light, it's going to have a changing color in the white part here, but not the part that is under the lenses. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to go over both sides. As you can see, I can already tell the part of it is changing color, but the part that is under the lens does not appear to be changing. So you can see it changes here, but not here. Let me bring it closer. And there we go. Now it fades back to white fairly quickly. So let me just dim it here so that you can see it's actually working as intended. So yeah, it does block out the blue light fairly well. Perfectly well, I should say, because there is absolutely no change in the color. As you can see, you can clearly tell where the lenses stop, and there is no more protection. So great blocking, great looks, very comfortable. And if you're going to be watching a computer screen all day, in addition to that your phone and your TV, then I really recommend these ones. They are really good.